Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you one of my option trade which I took recently, which is TCS. So I totally made around 75%. So I deployed around 13 lakhs in this trade and made a profit of 7,54,000. So let me just explain you what pattern I used and how did we trade in this. Before I explain you anything, please make sure to like this video and also share this video with your friends. And yeah, let's get started. Hello guys, so this is the TCS chart, and as you can see here, it has been on a very good consolidation. Yes, it is not on a downtrend. I would consider this as a good consolidation because look at this amazing move from 1600 it went up to 4000, right? A move of almost 166%, right? So a large cap stock like this, I would consider this as a consolidation and not a downtrend. Okay, and after the consolidation it gave a wonderful breakout. I've been watching this stock for quite some time because it is a TCS, one of the largest stock in Nifty in India, and I've spotted the stock exactly in this breakout. Okay, so let me delete this as well. I have been explaining this to my community members, so that is why you see this. Basically we entered in this, okay, in this candle, 1 hour candle. I took 3,200 calls around, you could say ATM, and we were in profit. I was in profit at the end of the day, and I felt that there is a lot more to be made in TCS, and that is why I did not close it. Next day, that was a very brutal candle. Correct, this candle, it's a very brutal candle in red color. I was prepared for this, and I know that there's going to be some kind of a consolidation. Okay, I was prepared to hold this trade because this is the start of the month and there is a lot more to go and the expiry is very far away, and I was in a position to give it a try. Okay, normally I wouldn't have done this if it was around closer to expiry or something like that. This is a brutal candle and kind of a consolidation. Again, if you look at the previous run from 2,960, it has gone up to 3,200, so a correction was necessary. I was ready, and if you look at this, it has been taking a support in this. Let me just delete it, guys. So it has been taking a good support here. Correct. This is a very crucial part. This is when most would be losing their patience, and okay, probably this is not a consolidation, probably this is a reversal. Let me just exit. This is when a newbie would exit the trade and they do not stick to the plan. And yeah, it is scary. I'm not gonna say that it was very easy for me to hold, no. Because I didn't want this trend line to break. If it was breaking, I would have exited for sure. Okay, so basically when I entered here, my average price was around 86. Okay, this is where I entered, this is where 86 is where I entered, and again I was in a loss after. Okay, after I only on the day I entered I was in profit. The next 1 week or so I was in a loss, so I was basically holding this trade for more than 10 days, and only today I closed it entirely with 7,54,000 profit. My exit is, let me just show you my exit orders. So I exited half in 129. Okay, I exited the other half in 148 because I booked 75% and I don't want anything more than this. I don't care even if TCS goes above, because I deployed around 13 lakhs in this and made 7,54,000 in 10 days, and I'm not regretting. I know that TCS has a good potential to move up, and probably I'll enter in cash maybe, and you guys could also probably, if there is some kind of a decent consolidation in lower time frames, you can enter and make money out of it, because it has come out of a very good consolidation, and again Nasdaq has given a very good move also, and it has come out of a major resistance. So basically Indian IT stocks follow Nasdaq, because I don't want to go into the fundamentals, forget about it. This is how we traded. Yes, I did post this on our JFT option community 10 days back exactly. Here most of my members made money in this also. If you look at this 200%, they did better than me, probably because he took OTM calls, right? and slight OTM, I guess. Yeah, slight OTMs. 17,000. We last week we booked Britannia around 250%, and this week it is TCS. What you paid for the JFT option community is 13,000, and what you have made is at least 5 times the option fee course, and you have made at least 3 times to 4 times the course fee, right? So we have 6 more months to trade, and this is why I tell you that whatever you pay is just a peanut of what you're going to make. So just go to my website justfortraders.in/options, and this is what we do. We spot trades like this consistently, no matter how the market is doing, and we don't trade like crazy like every day. We don't take like 100 trades a day, something like that. We wait for good setups. We don't care if it is taking 1 week or 10 days. We just wait. I personally just wait for it, because if you look at my 3 months profit and loss statement, which I've shown it on my course, JFT option course, you would notice that my the fee that I paid for it is very less. This is how you trade, and you don't have to I've seen a lot of people in option buying, they pay a lot of fee, right? Brokerage and a lot of other fees that you pay, that comes because you take a lot of trades. You should not do that. It should be opposite. You must take less trades and make most profits, right? So that is what I focus personally, and also in our JFT community. And yes, TCS is looking good. If you want to take cash trades, which is kind of a safe trade, you could go and take probably, if things all go well, this could reach the all-time high, which is around 20%, which is still great. And I wouldn't suggest taking a fresh trades in options. Please don't do it. I have already exited it, and even if it goes up, I don't care. I would probably reallocate this profit in a different setup, which is better. And if you want to trade that, consider joining the JFT option. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss videos like this. Thank you so much.